onto Windows. We're going to go to the SQLite website and we're going to want to download an archive. Scroll down to the precompiled binaries for Windows, and then you want to get the SQLite Tools Win32. So once that finishes downloading, we'll open that up in Explorer, select the file, choose Extract All. We want to extract this to program files. You'll need to be an administrator to do that. And then once we're here, it creates a directory called SQLite Tools Windows, a big long thing. So you want to click on that, and then you'll go into the taskbar up here, and we're going to want to copy that value. We're going to need that later. Now go down to here, and we'll type env to edit system environment variables. Press the environment variables button, choose path, choose edit, select new, and paste in that value. Hit OK, exit out of here. And now once we've done that, we need to verify that we added this to the system path. So open a command prompt and type SQLite 3. And if SQLite 3 opens, that means that it was correctly added to your path.